Good morning everyone. Here we are, day 2 of Jeeptoberfest here in Ocala, Florida. We just arrived. There are a lot more people here today than there was yesterday. I don't know if you can see behind me, there is Jeeps everywhere. And then the vendors, things like that are down there. Off-road course is over in this section, which we did yesterday. Super fun. And then there's more and more Jeeps way over there. They're parked all the way out with the vendors as well. And there's more and more people coming in. It's early morning yet. We're not going to do the off-road courses today. We did those yesterday. So we finally got Fawcett all cleaned up. So we're going to do some videoing of the off-road trails today from the outside, from a viewer's perspective. And see if we can catch some people tearing up some Jeeps out here. We're gonna run over and see who all's on the trail right now. Have people everywhere out here. Everywhere. Looks like a lot of the Jeepers are off on the moderate trail here, right down here at the end. Let's see if we can get closer and get some better video.
Oh, that girl gotta get a job first.
It was, I mean, I wanted to try every trail we could just to see.
Looks like they're trying to fix the trail. We did tear it up quite a bit yesterday. A lot of these deep gullies full of water and mud yesterday are way deeper today. So they're probably filling them in with some dirt so that you can actually make your way out of them.
Carl was saying that if we could find something that was a self-guided, I don't know. Hard part is keeping everybody around the trail. Right. You got to do it like this. You got to have people around and then all the tape.
For a week.
Yeah, down in York, you do all this. Yeah.
I know there was a deep mud pit over here yesterday that nobody could get out of. They literally, every Jeep that went in it, they had to be towed out of it. So I think they might have blocked that off today. Let's go down here and see. We're gonna go down.
That's what they
Oh, okay. They're gonna do the helicopter duck drop.
Yeah.
All right, let's go over and see that instead. We're gonna go see we're gonna do the helicopter duck drop here in a few minutes. I was wondering why all these people were standing over here, staring at the middle of a field. Look like zombies waiting for a food drop. Oh, everybody's gonna rush out there and try to grab ducks or what?
Hey, I'm gonna go take this.
Looks like a lot of people over here waiting for the helicopter duck drop. I think that's supposed to happen here in a few minutes. hear it. I hear the helicopter. I hear the helicopter. It's coming. I hear it. It's coming from behind us.
How you doing, guys?
Missed me yesterday.
See you, yeah. I didn't see you around. We saw Kenzie and Billy went out for a little bit. It started the day out. It was really raining.
Yeah,
We're pretty freaking hot.
when I first got here, I went straight on the course.
Oh, did you? All right, there you go.
Today I waited for the duck drop. All the grandkids.
My only hair house.
I hear the helicopter. It's a coming.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Looks like he's gonna spin around here. Get a little bit closer.
He drove it. He called me here.
I can't see. That's not a good boy. Oh, I can't see.
I can't breathe, but I'm ready. I know he's
Parking lot? Parking lot first.
Run into the middle. Don't run that way. Run into the middle. Otherwise, you're gonna run people over.
When she says go.
Listen, you hold my hand and you don't run away from me.
Yeah, that's what I'm a freaking bird.
We'll find her. They'll return her, let me tell you.
Oh yeah, they'll definitely return him. Especially when he gets hungry.
Yeah, they'll return her.
Can I put you down so I can get a good video? But hey, so they'll drop the ropes, I guess.
Alright guys, here he comes for the helicopter duck drop. Hopefully it's not a stampede. Alright guys, that was awesome. They dropped a ton of ducks out there. They're about to let everybody go out and just grab as many as they can. I will not be doing that. But that was great. That was awesome. It was fun.
Because it'll hurt.
Dustin,
That's in the army. Come here.
yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
I just keep doing
Yes.
it.
Because if they hit you, it's gonna hurt. They're running. It's gonna fast.
Jeez.
Checking with the helicopter.
Nobody runs over each other. I'm not going out there. It's gonna be a stampede.
I think they said something about.
We went to the one in Daytona last year.
Yeah.
That was like
We didn't go. We went to Daytona, but I didn't do the duck drop thing because I heard it wasn't all
that
that.
was on the GP.
Don't worry.
Oh,
Guns
okay.
are not.
We went to the Jeep Beach event.
No, it wasn't even.
Oh, there you go.
Don't run me over.
It's a stampede.
All right, I'll go out and walk around.
We're gonna stay in here where it's safe, not get ran over. Don't want to lose my ass over a piece of plastic or rubber or whatever.
Take out your ACL or something like
Yeah,
that. Shut up.
exactly. Get elbowed in the face over and done.
Come on, guys, we hit the course again.
There's actually a lot of them. I just dropped a handful of them.
I bent over and my back went. Oh no!
I was like, we're gonna run over so I think it's real low.
I really hope.
Alright guys, that's it for the helicopter duck drop. We're gonna go over and see if we can film some off-road stuff. We'll do another video. Stay tuned.